Good afternoon. Okay, I hope everyone is fine. Today, we are going to deal with equations and inequality. But last week we did something on sets, and I think you guys are doing what we are working on it. We are solving examples on sets. But today we are going to do something different. We are going to look at what equation and inequalities are. They are not the same. There is slightly different. You see, this one we have equation and then inequality. So when you say equation, what does it mean? And then when we say inequality, what does it mean? Okay, um, equation is any statement that preserve equal sign, like equal sign between or among two mathematical statements or expression. So in real life, we do compare things. We compare this quantity with this, which one is more, which one is less, which one is heavier than other. So all those things we use what we call we do comparison. So that comes equation and inequality. So we'll be using these symbols. So we have these symbols. We have this to be greater than. If you want to compare two quantities, you see A is greater than B. This is how we write it. And then we have the second one, which is the less than sign. So this is the less than. So when you say B is less than A, that means we are comparing A and B. But when they are equal, then you have this equal to. Okay. But before that, we have this one as well. Either greater than or equal to. So this one is greater than or equal to. This one is greater than equal to. And then the opposite the other one will be less than or equal to. So these are some of the examples that you will be seeing. And then the last one is the equal to sign. Means the quantity at the right hand side is equal to the one on the left hand side. So when we talk about equation deals with the last one, this one. It means any expression, any mathematical expression. Let's say we have the right hand side equal to or the same as the left hand side. So when you have something like that, then we are talking about equation. But when you have any two mathematical expression that deals with either greater than, less than, or greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, then move to inequality. Inequality, it means they are not equal. The two expressions or two quantities are not equal. So first of all, I would like to give some example under equations, and then we solve one or two examples and then move to inequality. Okay. So that is basically the idea of equations. Okay, so first of all, we deal with, I'll give one simple equation. Let's say you want to, let me give this example. Example one. Let's say you want to compare the weight of Kwedu and Amma. to that of their mother. And then you have this statement that the weight of Kwedo and, okay, let's say the weight of Kwedo's weight, or Kwedo weight, let's say, we don't know, so let's say X, SKD. And that of Amma is twice of Kwedo's weight. So Amma's age and weight. So Amma's weight is what? Twice of Kwedo's weight. And then Kwedo's weight is what? X. So you have 2x kg. And then you've realized that their mother's weight is, let's say, 90 kg. So their mother's weight. So their mother's weight is, let's say, 90 kg. So you have this expression, and then someone informed you that the weight of Kwedo together with Ames is equal to that of their mother's age and weight. So how are we going to express this into equation and find the weight of Kwedo and Amma? So we can write this mathematically as the weight of Kwedo, which is x kg. So you have s kg. So let's say x plus that of Amma. Amma is twice of Kwedo. So 2x. 2x. It should be the same as or equal to that of your mother's weight. And that one is what? 90. So when you write this, we have what we call equation. This quantity should be the same as this. Okay, so now you see that this one there is what a common term, xx. So 1x plus 2x will give us 3x. So 3x equal to 90. So let's find x. You can find x by dividing through 3. So you have x to be 30 kg. So we know that x is 30 kg. That is the weight of what? Kwedo. So Kwedo's weight is 30 kilogram. And how can you find that of Amma? You know that Amma is what? Twice of Kwedo. So you just multiply it by 2. So Kwedo's weight is equal to or is 30 kg. And that of Amma, so Amma's weight is twice of Kwedo, which is equal to 60 kg. So with the help of equations, we easily find their respective weights. So that's what equation does. So it helps us to solve any mathematical expression, find a solution for it. So that's what our equation does. Okay. So I think I should move to the next example. The next example. Okay. Let's solve this. Example 2. You have this. If 3x minus 2 divided by 5 is greater than this quantity, 1 minus 4x divided by 10 by 5. So this is another example that I would like to solve. So we have this quantity, 3x divided by 2 is greater than 1 minus 4x divided by 10 by 5. So looking at this problem, who could tell, is it equation or inequality? Because we say equation is what? We are still strictly dealing with equal to sign. But we also know greater than sign. So I may ask, is this question, is it inequality or equation? Okay, so let's see whether it's inequality or equation. Okay, so first of all, let's write our first quantity. So solution. We have 3x minus 2 divided by 5. And this quantity